If you live, work, and play in St. Louis Park, you know the value of creating connections and conversations to inspire healthier individuals and community. Health in the Park is a 3-year initiative funded by the Center for Prevention at Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Minnesota to create a healthier St. Louis Park. Health in the Park will connect the diverse segments of our community through conversations to learn about our definitions of health and the barriers that prevent us from achieving well-being. These conversations will define and direct strategies to reduce the barriers and increase access to healthy living choices in St. Louis Park. We need your perspective of what a healthier St. Louis Park means to you. Listen to why many of your St. Louis Park neighbors are bringing their voice to health in the park.
I think Health in the Park is a great opportunity to reach out to the community and really learn about what's going on around us, and also be an advocate to living healthy in St. Louis Park.
Kind of for 2 reasons. I love the concept of bringing community together and listening to different perspectives and different voices. The part about their effort to talk about and discover ways to encourage health in the park that is focused on identifying some of the obstacles and barriers that exist for people.
I'm really wanting to help make a difference in our community, both for my family as well as our community and neighbors.
Well, it means, I think, finding ways to enhance the health of all ages so that we can become a really vital community.
Health in the Park is an opportunity to engage our community, hear from all the voices. It's a rare opportunity to capture our broad interests about health.
Feeling connected to your community and like you have a community, a sense of community well-being in terms of health, in terms of possibilities for everybody.
Some of it has to do with what kind of facilities do you have. Some of it has to do with what kind of recreation do you offer. What kind of food services do you have. It's a broad spectrum if you're actually looking at health.
Probably get more everyone together, like be a more better community.
I know that living here, there's a lot of things that I would like to access that I can't access by walking or biking. And I think making those opportunities available to more people, we're going to open up the doors for more people to come into this community. If you look at the folks who are purchasing homes now, they're looking at the walkability and the bikeability and if there are healthy options in their community. And I think we just want to keep St. Louis Park growing.
Healthy kids are better students, and in St. Louis Park Public Schools, we are all about closing the achievement gap. And if kids are living healthy lives, they are going to do better in school, and that will help us move toward closing the achievement gap.
Recognize what's happening around them in terms of healthcare issues and health within themselves and within the family, and extending to the community.
To get people active using bicycling or walking to get to where they need to go, reduces congestion on the road, also improves our air quality, and can reduce things like diabetes, obesity, and depression.
To see the community come together and really find ways to make it easier for people to be active. Whether that's something as concrete as parks and trails, or even just people talking about what they could do to open up the ice rinks with volunteers or help their neighbors snow shovel.
I think it's really all about building community.
Any additional changes to the physical environment that we can make to remove barriers, to encourage physical activity, get people to think about eating better and make those choices available, whether it's at the ice rink or through vending machines, through school lunch, those types of things.
I'd like to see some structural changes in St. Louis Park. So, for example, maybe more walkways, more places that promote healthy living, such as gyms or stores that have healthier food.
I like to see a collaborative, community-wide effort that is committed to making this the healthiest community in this state, or maybe this nation, or maybe this planet.